Hi guys, you're warmly welcome to a new episode on Mom's Buffet Food Review channel. Today I am going to present a Sri Lankan type local healthy breakfast meal. Aren't you subscribed channel? Subscribe and press bell icon. I also in channel Facebook and Instagram pages. Let's go to video.
Good morning, guys. You are warmly welcome to Mom's Buffet, my food review channel. Today I going to present my morning breakfast. And to still subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. And also I have Mom's Buffet, my Facebook page and Instagram page. Then you can follow these both pages and get more information about my channel and contents. Okay guys, let's see what are the today main dish and sub dishes in my breakfast meal. Okay guys, now you can see today my breakfast meal. It contain Today it contain one main meal and no today my breakfast meal contain one main dish and three sub dishes. Main dish is white rice. Sub dishes are this is pumpkin curry, this is umbrella chutney, and this is fried small dry fishes. Okay guys, let's discuss about nutritional value in today my breakfast meal. First we talk about nutritional value in main dish. Main dish is white rice. White rice have mainly carbohydrate which are need to produce energy from cellular respiration in our body. Also white rice contain few amount of plant fibers. That plant fibers are need to keep good health in our gastro-digestive system in our body. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in sub dishes. First we talk about nutritional value in pumpkin curry. Pumpkin curry is yellow color vegetable, therefore it contains many vitamin C. That vitamin C are need to keep good health in our body. Also I like to tell about nutrition value in using spices to prepare this sub dish. In turmeric powder contain germ killer ability, then which which is protect our body from bad diseases. Local medicinal substances, natural and phenolic substances contained in curry powder, curry leaves and rampe. These are need to keep good health in our body. Essential volatile compound contained in onion and garlic. That compound are need to keep good health, and these are act as antioxidant in our body. These are reduce rise of age in our body cells. Let's talk about nutrition value in umbrella chutney. umbrella chutney, umbrella fruit. Umbrella is a fruit. It is a more organic because any chemical fertilizer never used to grow up this fruit. Because of umbrella is a fruit, it contain protein, vitamin, minerals, and important substances. And also, I like to tell about nutritional value in spices used to prepare. That nutritional value to use prepare spices is same to use pumpkin curry prepare spices. Let's talk about nutritional value in small small fried dry fish sub dish. In small dry fishes contain many protein, fish oils, and minerals. These are need to keep good health in our body. Okay guys, I going to finish my morning meal food review. After you watch and enjoy my video, don't forget to like and share and comment video. You can add comment below comment section. Okay guys, now I going to finish and end today my breakfast food review. I wish to meet you again as soon as. Goodbye and have a nice day.
I am truly grateful to my fan base for joining my YouTube channel.